Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about y to the power of 3 go to the left, s ds go to the right. And now we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have this formula in here. So we put number 3 gone here. So 3 plus 1, we have number 4. And now we have like this. The integration of this one, we have like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.